Start of tricep exercises. First, close grip dumbbell press. Both your elbows should be touching your chest. From there, it should go straight up, giving stretch and contraction to your triceps, and then come down. Take a deep breath, hands up, exhale from your mouth, and then hands down. Very controlled movement. 10 repetitions per set. You have to do 3 sets. Breathe in, up, breathe out. When your hands are up, you should feel the full contraction on your tricep. Now next exercise for tricep, single dumbbell overhead press. First, right hand, hold the dumbbell. Try to hold the dumbbell on the upper side, so that you can feel the weight of the dumbbell When your hand is going up, you should breathe out, because that time your tricep is contracting, and when your hand is down, your tricep is stretching. So always remember, when the muscles are contracting, you should breathe out. First right hand, then left hand. 10 repetitions per set. 3 sets you have to do. So once when you do right hand 10 times, then left hand 10 times, it is 1 set. Be careful, and you see the style, how the dumbbells are taken on the shoulders, and then the exercise is started, and how it is brought down. Here I am using 6 kg dumbbell. You can use any weight with which you can do at least 10 to 12 reps. Three sets, 10 reps per set per hand. This is the side view. Very good exercise for triceps contraction and stretching. The next is elbow overhead extension. Here you have to use a bit heavier dumbbell. Here I am using a 7 kg dumbbell. Here both hands you have to use it. When your hands are up, you have to breathe out, because that time the tricep is getting contracted. Here also 3 sets, 10 repetitions per set. See from the side. Here your mind should be totally on your triceps. Concentrate on your focus and concentrate on your triceps only. Mind-muscle connection is very much important for any exercise. And very smooth momentum. Don't stop anywhere. The momentum has to be very smooth. No jerks, no stopping. Now this is bend over side pull. This is a very good tricep exercise for the inner muscle of the tricep. Very good exercise. You should breathe out when your hand is going out. You have to bend your knees, bend your waist, and breathe in, breathe out. Yes. Very good exercise for inner tricep. 3 sets, 10 rep per set. Here again I am using 6 kg dumbbell. Now start a bicep with dumbbell incline alternate curls. See, in gym this is generally done in an inclined bench, but here I am taking a chair with a bit inclined backrest. This is for the length of the bicep. This exercise is excellent for the length of the bicep. Here you have to remember one thing: when your hand is going down, that bringing down has to be very smooth, not with a jerk. Again coming up very smoothly. And when you are coming up, slightly give an inside twist in your wrist so that you feel the your tension or contraction in your bicep. Each hand 10 times, 3 sets, 10 repetition per set. One set comprises of right hand 10 times, left hand 10 times. Very controlled movement. When your muscle is contracting, you should breathe out. That is, when your hand is coming up, you should breathe out. And your back should be totally straight, in an angle. Just you have to come a bit, sit bit in front of the chair and take support of a wall or a bed or a tool, anything, so that you don't slip away. And your upper body should be in inclined position. Very controlled movement, very controlled movement. Don't give jerks or bring your hand in a force. This is wide grip. This is wide grip curl, isometric, 3 stage. Wide grip bicep curl, isometric, 3 stage contraction. 3 times the hand should go down, come up, and then 3 times you should hold for 10 seconds, 8 to 10 seconds, and come up, and then the next 3 times slowly come up, slowly go down. This is isometric wide grip bicep curl, 3 stage contraction. This is for the inside of your bicep. Now this is close grip bicep curl, 10 reps per set, 3 sets. This is for the outside of the bicep, that is upper and outside muscle of the bicep. When your hand is coming up, you have to breathe out. Just when you stand, just bend your knees a bit so that you do not feel that jerk in your back. Slightly bend your knees, and the movement has to be very controlled. See from the side, very controlled movement. The wide grip bicep curl isometric has also you have to do 9 repetition per set, 9 to 10 repetition per set, 3 sets, and this also 10 repetition per set, 3 sets. Very controlled movement, especially when your hand is coming down. It should be very slow and controlled. And squeeze your biceps when the dumbbells are up. Now this is hammer curl, side hammer curl. For the outer part of your bicep. 10 repetitions per set, 3 sets. Very controlled movement. When your hand is coming up, you should breathe out. That is, your muscle is contracting at that time. Right hand 10 times, left hand 10 times, that is 1 set. Then again repeat 2 times more, that is 3 sets in total. these 3 bicep curl, that is the wide grip bicep curl, close grip bicep curl, and the hammer curl, side hammer curl, gives this roundness to your bicep. Now this is the isolation alternate curls. Here you have to use a very light weight, and maximum repetition you can give, to tire the muscle. It is no fixed repetition. 3 sets you have to do. You can do 30, 40, 50, 60 reps you can give until your bicep gets tired. Control movement. The movement has to be very controlled, and when you're contracting your bicep, you should breathe out. Here also 3 sets. First right hand, then left hand, or first left hand, then right hand, any of your choice. Very light weight you have to use. The main focus is you have to tire your muscle with increased repetitions. Weight is not important here. And when you are bringing your hand up, give a little twist to your wrist and squeeze your bicep. Now this is for the forearm, front hammer curl. You have to hold the dumbbell towards the end part, and your dumbbell should face towards the floor. From there you have to slowly lift it, and the front part should touch your shoulders. This is for your front forearm. 10 repetitions, 3 sets. Now this is for the inside of your forearm. This is wrist curl. You have to just roll your wrist up, down. When your wrists are up, breathe out. Very controlled movement. Concentrate on your forearm. You should focus on your forearm, mind muscle connection, very important for every exercise. This is the last exercise for the arms.